Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to unbox the Benefit Sincerely Yours Beauty Advent Calendar. So I just received this tiny little box. Honestly, sincerely, I thought it will be a rather larger one, but this is the total size of the box, which is, comparing the size of my head, it's not very big. This is a 12 days of big time beauty mail. So how cute is that? Oh my god. So you have all sort of winter type of background, snow, trees and letter boxes, and here it's written, you've got makeup. This beautiful Advent calendar, it's packed with 12 makeup must-haves for brows, face, eyes and lashes that will have you delivered festive look all season long. Check the mail each day for your countdown to gorgeous. I also do believe it will make a very beautiful gift. So just a little bit of the details. I purchased mine from the Cult Beauty website. This is still available at the time I am recording, and it costs £59.50. But when I purchased mine, they were running a offer of 20% discount on makeup, so I got a bit of a saving. However, I have a referral code. I'm not working with Cult Beauty, but anyone who register and has an account to them, they automatically get that referral code. So I will pop that in my description box. If you want to purchase this, you will get I think you'll get 5 or 10 pounds off. And all you need to do is to set up a new account. That is working only with newly registered customers. And the value of this advent calendar is over £130. So we are speaking about pounds because I bought it from the UK and they do sell on pounds. Also, they do ship worldwide for free. And I'm very excited because this is my first high-end one brand advent calendar. So let's see together what we have inside. So first, this is the beautiful box. Oh, post office, and we have a picture of a post office and a few presents. So very exciting. And then you have a drawer and a few boxes. So I'm going to start with, of course, day number 1. I like they are in order, so I don't need to do the guesswork, but also each door has a different color. Day number 1. Here we have a little key. It's one of the biggest doors and it's very, very light. What we got here? I need to stop talking when I'm unwrapping something. And the first product, it's a fantastic product, is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. Oh, that's great, because I think I had previously the shade number 2 and that was too light for me, so hopefully this is not too dark. No, this it will for sure work with my brows, especially because now I'm darkening my hair. I'm going more like towards brunette, and I know this is many people's favorite. So day number 1, a travel size but a very good quantity. Let me show you how much you get. It's like half size of the full size. Moving to day number 2, which is here, like a peachy color box. This looks like a liner. This is the roller liner, liquid liner in the shade black. I'm not going to open it right now because I have a few liners opened, and I also know that this one tends to dry up faster, so when you open it you have to use it. I just opened a new liner from the Physicians Formula, the one that is coming with a brush, and I'm very much lately in bold line and just bare lid. I only have a bronzer in the crease and that's all. Liner, mascara and my lower lashes. I also have a teal liner from Maybelline, but I'm loving more simple look, less eyeshadow and more liner. I don't know, I'm just through a phase. But moving to day number 3, this is the travel size of the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I never had the travel size, but let me show the full size. I love the brush. It's a plastic brush with short spikes, but I love that it's in a cone shape, so it's able to coat each lash, and also it's working perfectly on the lower lashes. It lasted me a lot. So the travel size is 3 grams and the full size is 8 grams. So it's less than a half, but I think it's enough for you to get an idea of if you like it or not. Moving to day number 4 now. This is a green box. This is the day number 4. We have a primer. I wanted to try this primer, never gotten around to. I wanted to try it because many people love this. This is the Professional Hydrating Primer, and they are selling this as this size, so very excited for this, especially for winter months. I think this is a good thing to have it in your beauty regimen. Now day number 5 might be a mascara, and this is their real mascara. I don't remember if I have used their real mascara, and I'm not sure if it is in black or in brown. It might be, because I know that they have different colors, but anyway, love this. Day number 6, we have another green box, but just a different shade of green. This is more like my background. Ooh la la! This is so tiny and so cute. This is the Gimme Brow in the shade 3. I have mine in full size. I am using it right now. I was always wondering whether this is the full size or the travel size, but now I am convinced that this is the full size. I think I am using this from the beginning, since the beginning of this year, and I still have product inside, so I can definitely show you what it looks like. And I think it matches the lip, not the lip, sorry, the brow pencil. So this is the swatch. I love it. Many people love the one from Elf. They say that it's a dupe. I didn't came around to find a shade from the ones from Elf to work as well as it's working this one, the shade number 3 from Benefit. So I'm happy that I have a tiny one which I will save for travel. Of course, all those products are travel friendly as well. Oh, and now I see here we had a card, and here is written special delivery. Fill out this pretty postcard and send it to your beauty BFF. How cute is that? So you definitely can make it as a present to someone in your life. You always make the sleigh bells ring. Happiest holiday from your beauty BFF. And it's also written in French. Day number 7 now, which is down here. A yellow box. This is the Dandelion mini blush. I always wanted this blush. If I can find my scissor, I will be able to open it. Look at this color. This, I know, complements so many skin tones. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's a lot of product to get through. Even though it's a travel size, I think you'll have a lot to use out of this. So I am very chuffed for this. Moving to day number 8, which is a green shade again. Oh, look, and I even have green nails. I didn't came around to change my nail polish since I unboxed my L'Oreal Advent calendar. They are starting to chip. This seems to be a mascara. This is the Roller Lashes mascara. So I have the same size. I am using it still. You have a rubber brush, and the brush is curved, so I think it's very good for lifting and giving a curl to your lashes. Also, it lasts all day, and of course you can pair it with your Roller Lashes liner. Day number 9, another cult classic. This is the 24-hour brow setter. Now I see they changed the packaging. I already had mine in my all crap boxes. I'm saving my makeup from the past 2 years. It is almost the same size like the one that I have. I love this. It has 2 lengths. On the bristle you have a shorter bristles and the longer bristles, and I think they do a very good job on taming the brows, and also sets in place everything for the whole day. Moving forward to day number 10, I'm excited when I see bigger boxes. We have a mini Hula bronzer. Okay, this is the original one. I don't want to open it, so I assume it's coming without brush. It's just the same size of the packaging like the one for blush, so it's not coming with a brush, but I'm going to show you mine. I also have the mini size, but I also have it with a brush. This is the size of the blush, of the bronzer, sorry, and this matches me mostly during summer. It's a more darker shade, and I also pack this with me on vacation. Very much love this for summer holidays. 2 more days. Day number 11, pretty green color. Oh my god, this is one of my favorites. This is a cult classic primer, and I think they were the first one who launched this kind of pore filling primer. I remember back in time how desperate I was to put my hands on this because it was not available in the area where I'm living. I think I bought a starter kit box which was coming with this primer, mascara, concealer, and something, I don't remember exactly, a foundation, yeah. So very, very excited to have this one. It's working perfectly with my enlarged pores, and also you can purchase this, of course, as I mentioned earlier, everything can be purchased on this size. We have finally reached the day number 12. Wow, I always wanted to try this one. This is the Real Magnet Mascara. I think this was somehow compared with the Sky High from Maybelline. I'm very excited to start using this mascara. But yeah, you guys, there we have it. This is the Benefit 12 days advent calendar. What do you think about this box? I personally think this is a great way to try all their goodies, and if you like something, of course you can go purchase the full size, and also it's a great gift idea. Do not forget to check my description box if you want to purchase this and save some money. I think I'm going to give this advent calendar 9 out of 10 rating. I'm not giving it 10 because we only have travel size, but for the value that you get, I think it's a fantastic advent calendar, and you get everything from liner, mascara, primer, blush, bronzer. This is everything for today. Now it's your turn to let me know in your comments down below what do you think about this advent calendar. You are going to purchase it or you are going to skip it? If it is so, just stay tuned because I have other advent calendars to unbox here on my channel, so you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Please go and subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you soon with another video.